Good morning, dear students. I, Gayatri Madam, welcome you all in online mathematics class. Today we will continue the same chapter, that is chapter number 3, How many squares? This children open page number 39. This is a footprint of a tiger. We have to find which shape covers the biggest area. So children, here we will not count each square. We have to make big square and rectangle as shown in the figure to find the area faster. Make big squares and rectangle in such a way that it cover only complete squares. After that, we have to identify the largest square and rectangle within the shape to know their area and then count small square present inside them. Right? From these five shapes, we can see that the shape at the bottom occupies more area than rest all other shape. Right? The given rectangle consists of two squares. You can see here. Okay. So its area is 2 square centimeter. The diagonal divide the square into two equal parts, forming two equal triangles, right? So the area of each triangle is half the area of the rectangle. So the area of this green colored triangle is 1 square centimeter. Okay, that is the half of rectangles. In second figure, the given rectangle consists of 8 square. Children, you can count it. So, area of whole rectangle is 8 square centimeter. Okay. The shape shown divide the rectangle into two equal parts. So, area of blue shape is half of rectangle, that is half of 8 is 4 square centimeter. Children, open page number 40. How many squares in me? Children, you can see here 6 shapes are given in the following figure. You are supposed to find the area of all these 6 shapes. Here is written, write the area in a square centimeter of the shapes below. So children, this figure we will draw in our notebook. Okay, so also you have to do this question in your notebook. Look at here, I have drawn here 3 shapes. Shape A, shape B and shape C. For finding area of any shapes, we have to find the number of complete squares. Then the number of more than half filled squares. And then the number of exactly half squares. Okay. So since two half filled squares make one full squares, everybody know. So if the number of half filled squares are 10, then we will consider 10 by 2 or 10 upon 2, that is 5 squares only. First, let us consider the area of triangle. We have to find the area of this triangle. Area of triangle A is, here I have written, area of triangle A is, what we will write? Area of complete squares. So here children, you can see very carefully how many complete squares are in this triangle. So you can see here 1, 2 and 3. So area of 3 complete squares plus area of more than half filled. So children, you have to see here more than half. So if you see very carefully, this square is more than half filled square. Here also and here also. And here you can see it is less than half a square. So we will ignore it. Okay. And this we will consider as a full square. So area of 3 more than half filled square. Okay, so what we write? 3 plus 3 is 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 square centimeter. So we can say area of triangle A is equal to 6 square centimeter. Similarly, we have to find the area of square B. Are you seeing here? So what we write? First we will see area of complete squares plus area of half filled square plus area of 4/4 filled square. So children, I will show you here. Area of complete square is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So area of complete squares is equal to 4. Then let's see how many half filled squares are in this figure. Here you can see very carefully. Look at here. Half, half. Half, half makes 1. And here is again half, half makes 1. Here is also 1 and here is also half plus half makes 1. So how many total full square? 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can write total 8 half square. So here we will write 8 by 2 or 8 upon 2. Now children, look at the corner of this square. It is the quarter. Okay, quarter means 1 by 4 or 1 upon 4. So how many quarters filled square here? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will write here 4 by 4. We will not write 4 by 2. We will write 4 by 4. Now solve it. 4. 8 upon 2. When we divide 8 by 2, we get 4. Then when we divide 4 by 4, we get 1. Now add them. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. So our answer is 9 square centimeter. Area of square B is equal to 9 square centimeter. Now children, look at the shape D or figure D. Here we have to find the area of shape D. So here I have written area of figure D. You can also write area of shape D. So what we say? We will write area of, first we see the area of complete square. So how many complete squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we will write here 5. Then we have to add area of half filled square. Children, if you see very carefully, this one square is divided into exactly 2 parts. So here is half part and here is half part. So half plus half makes 1. That's why I have written half plus half makes 1. So total area 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 square centimeter. So we can say area of figure D is equal to 6 square centimeter. Right? Now children, we will see the figure E, shape E, and we have to find the area of shape E. So first what we write? Area of complete square. Okay. Then plus area of half filled square. Children, here is not area of more than half filled square. Are you seeing here? So we will not write. Area of more than half filled square is not here. So we will write only area of exactly half filled square. Okay. So total area of complete square is 18. When you will count all complete square, you will get 18. So here I have written 18. Then we have to see here how many half filled squares are here. Okay. So this side, if you will see, it is exactly divided into 2 parts. One square is divided into 2 parts. So this is the half part. Same way, here is half, here is half. So this side is 3 half and that side is 3 half. So 3 half plus 3 half is 6 half. So what we write, children? 6 by 2, 6 upon 2. Okay, now we add them. 18 plus, when we divide 6 by 2, we get 3. Okay, you can also read, children, table 2. How many times 6 will cut by 2? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and 2 threes are 6. So we get 3. That means 6 half square, 6 half filled square makes 3 complete square, right? So 18 plus 3 is, when you add both number, you will get 21 square centimeter. So we can say area of figure E is 21 square centimeter. Children, we will see the last figure, last shape F, and we have to find the area of figure F. So how to find? First we see here complete square. So how many complete square? I have shown in red color. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write the complete figure square is 4. Okay. Then after what we see, children? We see more than half filled square. So how many more than half filled square? Look at here. Here is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I have written more than half filled square is 4, because we will consider as a complete square. Okay. Here is also so many shapes, so many less than half filled square. Are you seeing, children? This is less than half filled square. So what I told you, we have to ignore them. We will not count them. Okay. That's why I put here cross. And also you can see there are no any exactly half filled square. Okay. So in this figure only complete square and more than half filled squares are here. Okay. So here complete square is 4 and more than half filled square is also 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So our answer is area of figure F is 8 square centimeter. So children, this type of figure, if we have to find area, easily you can find it. Okay. So all this thing you will write in your notebook with beautiful handwriting. Thank you.